Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to check on the individual chat report on Waliku admin. To do that, you're going to log into Waliku admin as a school admin and then click on report and click on chat report. Here you can select the date, class name, and also the student name. For example, I am going to select the 7th of September for class test 1A and student Simba. You can see that Simba has 94.9% attendance rate, and this green smiley face indicate that Simba has a good absence rate. And you can see the number of present days, known absence days, and also unknown absent days. And in total, Simba has 4 absence days, and the top absent reasons are household duties and also multiple reason. You can also change the month here. On the middle, you can see there are two hyperlinks. One is for the academic years and the other one is for the learning outcomes. View the all academic years here. You can see the academic year report, which gives you information of the absence and attendance rate for each academic year. And then for the learning outcomes, you will be able to see Simba's learning outcomes throughout the month, semester, or year depending on the context of your location.